More trees down right here. This house sounds pretty good. Definitely this house got the worst. Here. Sounds like a smoke alarm going off. See his toilet. Jeez. Ain't very too good either. Front of their house. Wow. Hope they made out okay. House across the street. Right in their bedroom. The holes inside that house. Car. House got jacked up pretty good too. You see JC and Chris's house right there. JC's in the backyard taking pictures. Get a little bit further on this side, the damage gets a lot less. Yeah, look at there. That house all the way back in the background is missing a roof. You see that or not? A couple houses back here, so roof missing. Back missing out of that Honda right there.
Nothing happened to the 20-mile-per-hour wheel on some day, but the grill was
Spins out.
my grill's just sitting there. Well, that's one of my grills. I don't know where the other one was.
The holes missing out.
Yeah, man.
That's about it.
And I was already trying to call him about the hill jump. Yeah, I don't have the box.
Pretty impressive.